But being number one's not easy as it seems. You gotta be willing to offer your help, put others before yourself. Knowing you should apologize, be honest, loving, and kind. Now I can see a brighter side of you. A true friend to all is our number one internship. Thomas, you're my number one. Thomas, you're my leader.
Welcome aboard. This way to all the fun.
Hold on tight, 'cause
Here we go!
This cheeky engine's ready to roll. Well now, that's certainly a tune to start the day.
That's right. You are really special to all of us.
I say, you're making me blush.
I will never, ever forget you.
Aw, thank you. We are always best friends, and we are always here for each other.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go and dance!
Cinders and ashes. Here we go then.
It's Thomas. You're the leader.